Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KGeN token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, KGeN is the native token of the KGeN protocol, the world's largest verified distribution layer built on real human users and designed to accelerate businesses growth across AI, DeFi consumer applications and digital economics. At the core of KZen is Verify, proprietary on-chain identity and verified reputation framework. Verify enables real users to own their digital reputation, while businesses and developers can scale ideas, apps, and products with trust, transparency, and speed. KZen is backed by the top global investor including SL, Process, Jump, and Nexus. KZN token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 198.67 million KZN token. KZN token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin, BingX, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.